Tricka of Trickaplans. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great today. I am here with my hobonichi. I gave it a little facelift. I added a black cover from Kids Accessorized, and I also added some vinyl from my friend CMC Plans, and I also added a vinyl bow from Scribble Prints Co. So I'm still working on my little hobonichi. So I just want to welcome you all, and I'm coming today with a plan with me. Here is last week's plans. I'm still at it, you guys, still at it. So what I'm going to be doing is planning for the week of the 27th through the 2nd. And I'm going to be using a special kit here. I got this blue kit from Rasberyl Designs, and I am going to pair it with, this is going to be great, you guys. You're going to love it. Where is it? Y'all have to excuse my neighbors. They're always building something. I'm going to pair it with this Wonder Woman, and I also have some Wonder Woman washi, and let's see how this turned out, you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have some beautiful washi here. I have the Wonder Woman. Oh, if I could get it out. Okay. I have the Wonder Woman washi. This washi came from AC Moore. I don't know exactly which one I want to use. They have so many pretty ones. Oh, I just went Wonder Woman crazy. So put this back in my little washi storage over there. And you guys, I'm gonna do a video on these beautiful sticker binders. Well, they're photo albums, but I use it as sticker storage. So I'm doing a sticker storage series. You guys saw that I created the sticker storage for the journaling cards. Next, I'll be doing the sticker storage for your little small stickers and stuff. So, you know, I had to get 2 of these because Wonder Woman is my chick. Okay, so let's get this plan with me started. Okay, so what I'll be doing is, per usual, adding the bottom washi, and this is a vibrant blue, and I am so surprised at how Rasberyl Design kits always match my doll stickers, so you can never go wrong with it. And then we'll add the date covers down. Gotten so used to her stickers now. I'm glad it don't take me forever to do these anymore. So what you guys have planned for Memorial Day? By the time you see this video, Memorial Day probably had just left, but I had an amazing time. I went to my aunt's house, and my uncle, he built a stage, so we were out there doing karaoke. We were dancing. Oh my goodness. We ate good. We just chit chat. We was listening to music. And then now he want to have like this crab boil. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So we'll be back at it again. And I enjoy hanging out with them. So let's see. Monday. I'm going to put a 3-heart checklist every other day. That way I can get my important stuff done, because really Monday the post office closed. I got to get out some Happy Mail. I have like a box of stuff. And then after all of these sales they had, I got to make sure I got some coins left to even get it done. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna put her right over here on the corner. Wait a minute, or do I want her over here? Well, oh yeah, I'm gonna put her right here. Wait a minute. These little doll stickers, like, you just pop on down. Wait a minute, honey. Ooh, and y'all know this paper. Okay, here we go. There, okay. And then I want to put her. Wait a minute, let me move this checklist because she is going down. She is going down. I want her right up top. Yes, girl power, Wonder Woman. Oh, okay. So you can't play around with these hobonichis now. You gotta do what you're gonna do, and that's that. Okay, now let's see, which washi do I want to use? This is so pretty. I think I'm gonna use a strip of this up here. Let's see how in action. Go ahead and tear that. Okay, so I want to add this washi up to the top. Go on and give it a little snip. Yes, girl. Okay. Yes. And then I want to also put a little strip down here. Yeah, so we're gonna liven this page right on up. Okay, so I have my little checklist for next week, and what I'm going to do right up top, I'm going to add a little checklist right here. And you can make checklists out of these washi tapes, because let me see, I'm gonna do a 4-star checklist, and you can utilize your washi for some of this stuff. So we'll make a checklist for right here, and this will be for my to-dos. So I'll put to-do right there, and then the next checklist will be for, let me make another one. That can be for my meals. So I'm gonna do another 4, and this is the washi tape that I'm using. It all came in a bundle. Now, like I said, it's from it's from AC Moore. It was the superhero kit, the Wonder Woman kit. So I'll put my meals right here, because I am trying to do so much better with that. Put the meals right here, and then my workout, I'll put that over here, because I won't be working out until Wednesday. And then I gotta add in my war binder Wednesday, and then I get paid. Okay, you guys, here is the completed spread in my Hobonichi weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoy creating it for you guys. And if you are new and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload another video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Give your girl a thumbs up, which is the like button, and also leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this hobonichi. And I know we have a lot of people who are new to the hobonichi, so I hope you get some inspiration out of this, and also share with a friend. I welcome you all. Thank you so much for joining Trickaplans. Toodles.